Okay guys, Dave from Rave here, and we just got some new boots we have never seen before by Castle X. So we wanted to do a quick unboxing video for these. It's called the Charge ATOP boot. Last year was the Charge BOA, but they went to a new coiling system this year. Not sure the reason. I assume maybe supply chain. BOA might have been having some problems with COVID and everything, but I'm not sure. But Castle did go to the ATOP coiler this year, and Castle's been around for a long time. It's a very reputable company, so I assume they made the decision that was best for them. So this is a black and white ATOP-team.com. Get some more information about the ATOP coiler. Let's see. So you notice that unlike the BOA dial system where you pull out to loosen, you don't do that on this guy. It's right to tighten and left to loosen. So you just click it left and it uncoils. So if you've never had this type of system before, it's super nice. No more laces. Laces are a thing of the past in the snowmobile industry. And you know, you can get regular shoes, golf shoes, tennis shoes, are starting to use this type of coiler now. It's just easier. It's awesome. Super rugged, and usually I know with BOA they have an awesome warranty, so I assume ATOP has the same type of warranty on those. First impressions of the boot itself, super rugged. It's one of those boots that you would not use maybe for extreme backcountry stuff. It's flexible, which a lot of people like. Myself, with a lot of backcountry stuff, you want a boot that's super stiff, so when you're jumping back and forth or getting stuck, if sled lands on you or whatever, it's nicer to have a really stiff boot for the support. This isn't quite as supportive as those type of boots that I like, but it's a nice quality boot. Fitment wise, this is a size 11. I always take a size 12 shoe. Go to the shoe store, buy a 12, and I'm usually pretty good. Oh, this is actually the woman's boot. Ha! No, I'm not. So this is the woman's boot, so that's not an 11, and it wouldn't fit me. This is the men's boot. Okay. All black. All black for the men. Okay. Same system though, just different colors. It looks like the exact same setup, it's just sized differently and different color scheme. The Dry X, it is fully waterproof. It has the Dry X membrane, so you can go out, you can stay warm, and also be dry. So this is the size 11. And remember, you turn it left to uncoil and open. So you just click that dial to the left once, and it opens right up. Size 11 was the first size that I grabbed. Normally I would have grabbed a 12. Size 11 fits me perfect, actually. I would size down in this boot for sure. It's actually even a little bit long, but dead airspace is a good insulator, so I prefer to have a little bit of room in the end. Wiggle my toes fine. You wouldn't necessarily go with a super thick sock. Less is more these days, so like a nice thin, moisture wicking high sock would be awesome with this boot. But yeah, this is an 11, so size down on this for sure, because it's 11 and I've got some more room. 12 would be way too big, so don't buy the actual size boot that you would take in a sneaker. Go down one size. Comfy though. I like the comfort. And you can't see this, but I'm just twisting the dial to the right to tighten it all the way.
Good to go.
And with these things,
Yes.
with these you can go basically as tight as you want, and they're not going to break. Comfy. I like these. And then remember, one click to the left, boom, you're out. So just like that, no laces, no messing around with laces. One click to the left, it loosens up, you can open it, foot in, and that's awesome. So size 11 for me. Comfortable, waterproof, breathable. First impression of this boot, I haven't obviously used it in the backcountry, but first impression of this boot is 2 thumbs up. And the price point, I believe these are like $239. So a lot of the boots that we sell here are in the $300 to $400 range. So for this price point, quality, Castle X again is a beautiful brand name. 2 thumbs up for this guy.